Around this paper towel. And all of this. All of this. Did you do that? Were you a bad girl? Did you do that, Reese? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. I let you stay out and you did that. Did you do that? You come here. Come on. Come on. Reese. Did you do that to the paper towels? Did you do that? Really? Really? Are you serious? Did you seriously do that to the paper towels? You're so bad. You're a bad girl. You did that to the paper towels. Why'd you do that? Reese, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. You're so bad. Did you do that? Why'd you do that? You did that. You're so bad. This is what happens when you don't get to stay in your kennel during the day. You chew up paper towels. Usually it's you. Now it's you. What the heck? Peppy, come here. It wasn't you this time, was it? Hey, it wasn't you. It wasn't you, was it? Were you good this time? Say, I'm innocent this time. This time it's Reese. So bad and so good. Were you so good? Do you want a treat?